Before we start, can you tell me the value of 86 square in 5 seconds? I bet most of you couldn't get the correct answer in time, right? Don't worry, because after watching this video, and with a little bit of practice, you'll be solving squares like that faster than a calculator. Okay, let us start with an example. 21 square. Divide it into 3 parts like this. Now, square the first digit of 21, which is 2 square or 4, and write it in the first part. Then leave the second part for now. Next, square the last digit, which is 1 or 1, and write it in the last part. Then, for the middle part, multiply both digits together and then double it. 2 times 1 times 2, or 4. Now put it all together. 4, 4, 1. And we're done. So the answer is 441. That's super fast, right? Let's level up. Consider a slightly larger example. 54 square. Again, divide into 3 parts. Now, square the first digit of 54, which is 5 square or 25, and write it in the first part. Next, square the last digit, 4 square or 16. Write that at the end. Now for the middle part. We first multiply this digits, which is 5 by 4, and then multiply the product by 2 to get 40. Since this is a 2-digit, we'll write 0 in the middle and carry over 4 to the first part. Now add 4 to 25 to make it 29. And we're done. So the answer is 2,916. Ready for the next one? Let's go a little higher now. Example, square of 76. We will try to solve it super fast. You know the drill. Divide into 3 parts. Now, square the first digit of 76, which is 7 square or 49. Next, let us consider the last digit, which is 6, whose square is 36, so write 6 in the last part and carry 3 to the middle part. Now, for the middle part, multiply 7 by 6, then multiply it by 2 to get 84. Add the carry 3 to make it 87. Next, write down 7 in the middle part and again carry 8 to 49. Add 8 plus 49 to make it 57. And we're done. So the answer is 5,776. That was faster than a calculator. We are on fire. Lastly, let us consider another larger example. 92 square. Let us solve it super fast. Divide it into 3 parts. Now, 9 square is 81, so write it in the first part. Then, 2 square is 4. Write it in the last part. Then, 9 times 2 times 2 to get 36. Next, write down 6 in the middle part, and again carry 3 to 81 to become 84. Combine 84, 6, and 4, and we're done. So the final answer is 8,464. Isn't that amazing? See how quickly we can find the square of any 2-digit number using this simple yet powerful trick? And that's how you can square any 2-digit number in just seconds, faster than a calculator. Now it's your turn. Try to find the value of 86 square in under 5 seconds and comment your answer below. If this video gets 15,000 likes, I'll show you an even crazier trick: how to square any 3-digit number instantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math magic tricks. See you in the next one.